Assalamualaikum to our lecturers, T.S. Nurfaiza binti Yahya and Madam Nurkhazana binti Abdul Rahman. We are students from BMP 20303, Traffic Management and Highway Technology class. We would like to present our project. Before we start with the content of our presentation, I would like to introduce our group members, starting from Muhammad Fadli Hakimi dan Muhammad Faizal, Sean Yungkai, Wong Ifeng, Nurul Ashike binti Ahmad Shafi, and myself, Amalia Frazana binti Zamri. We have chosen traffic congestion as our problem issue to this project. Our project title is Outflow of Traffic from Jalan Kuching to Jalan Ipoh Highways. I would like to start the presentation with the introduction of the project. Generally, according to Boston Consulting Group, in their report known as Unlocking Cities, they said that Kuala Lumpur has spent a large amount of 13.4 days per year in traffic. That statistic also ranked the Kuala Lumpur as the 5th most traffic congestion area in Southeast Asia. From this figure illustrates us that the actual and projected upward surge in vehicle motors. From this graph also, it explains that overall vehicles will increase by 8% per over 13 years, which is 48 million by 2020. Besides that, the cause of the traffic congestion are road accidents. Malaysia has been, has highest rated road accident. So this will directly affect the phenomenon of traffic congestion in Malaysia. We have chosen Jalan Kuching as our project site location. This location has recorded to have congestion, and the problem that I have been mentioned earlier. This road known as the arterial road, as the road have many junctions and connection to other roads such as Jalan Isfarhan, Jalan Tunku Abdul Rahman, and others road. In this project, we have proposed 4 methods to redistribute the traffic. The first one is model development. Second, cell transmission model, CTM. Third is exclusive lane for public transport. And the fourth is the regulation of traffic management. In this project, we aim to identify the problem that have been occurred in Jalan Kuching. We want to gain a more understanding in this problem so we can improve the planning capabilities for this issue that have been addressed in our project.
Assalamualaikum, I am Nurul Ashike. I will continue with the literature review for the traffic congestion from Jalan Kuching to Jalan Ipoh Highway. Kuala Lumpur is Malaysia's capital and federal territory. It is Malaysia's largest city with 1.73 million people in 2016. As the population grows, the use of private vehicles also increased. The Sentul Link connect the PWTC interchange of Jalan Kuching and Lebuhraya Sultan Iskandar, which is Lebuhraya Biru, to Sentul. The traffic volume in a link consists of a number of vehicles. Each driver want to minimize their journey time on the road. So, when the traffic is high, the vehicle moves slowly and the result in traffic congestion. Traffic congestion contribute to the consumption of more time, leading to more accidents, fuel depletion, and more emission. The problem of traffic congestion still cannot be solved until today, especially for Jalan Kuching to Jalan Ipoh Highway. Based on the Open Traffic software in 2016, The traffic analysis for whole Kuala Lumpur was around 2 million of vehicles. The average speed for October was dropped on Saturday and Sunday because people remain and stay at home on weekend. And maybe it's just a little movement on the highway and it was very low. Meanwhile, the traffic on the road on the weekday are very high since business work start at that day. On the other hand, Muslims pray every Friday and it leads to heavy lunchtime traffic up to 3 o'clock. And also people are moving to their hometown and vacation often lead to the heavy traffic on the Friday.
Hi, my name is Chong Kai. Today I would like to present the proposal solution for our topic. Our topic is traffic congestion. The first proposal solution is the model development. The model can develop improved detection accuracy to 91%, even in conditions susceptible to calculation. This boundary then removed vehicle calculation caused by shadow to improve precision. The second method is to provide exclusive lane for public transport buses. Exclusive lane for public transport means that a lane is not open to private vehicle traffic. It is enable buses to avoid congestion. The third method is the triaxial transmission model (CTM). CTM is the network can be divided into a set of equal length cells. The length of each cell is equal to the distance that a single vehicle travels in one time step at the free flow speed. The fourth method is the regulation of traffic engineering. The regulation of traffic engineering are to restrict the stop vehicle that causes the public and private in congestion. Stop vehicles are the most dangerous action while in the route. And then the last method is the assumption. The assumption of average emission of NO2 vehicle by select environmental population index. The share rate of public transport is actually the share rate of public transport motorization. That's all from me. Thank you.
My name is Muhammad Faizul. Today I'm gonna to present about implementation on site. Okay, about our project. First, CTM method to track the movement of traffic flow over time and space using the cell transmission model. We divide the transportation network into homogeneous cells. As shown in the figure below, this is a transportation network that have been converted to homogeneous cell. Okay, next, model development. The model is to reconstruct the image and a vision based traffic monitoring system that can perform real-time parameter extraction. This is a cycle of the model development. The city motor vehicle trip, bus crew rate, bus ownership, and then next is provide exclusive link for the public transport. Exclusive is drawn as shown figure below. Okay, this is Jalan Kuching when the traffic congestion on the left lane. This road did not have public transport lane, so we provide a shaded lane to the bus or public transport. Okay, next is the regulation of traffic engineering. Put a signboard to alarm the citizen while driving, like this. When do the maintenance on road, the signboard is held to decrease the traffic congestion on the road. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Ipoh. Today I would like to present the conclusion of our topic. In conclusion, all of the proposed solution use is much more safety and cost effective. CTM to stimulate the traffic flow in oversaturated conditions. It estimates the average delay and use genetic algorithm as an optimization tool to minimize the average delay for the network. Next, model development. Many additional enhancements can be made. A possible future work is to calibrate the distribution of parameters and conduct a sensitivity analysis of parameters respectively. It will be informative to use field data to requirement can be monitored and improved to integrate the traffic management system. With the system, it will reduce accident and streamline operation. The cost of the proposed solution are effective and not expensive if the solution is applied. The proposed solution has mentioned is competing to avoid the traffic congestion.